Plant family, 451 genera in Apiaceae, Umbelliferae family. My fascination with the Apiaceae family, a journey of discovery. I, Ferb, have always been drawn to the world of plants. Their diversity, their resilience, and their intricate beauty never cease to amaze me. Among the countless plant families that I've encountered, one has always held a special place in my heart, the Apiaceae family, also known as the Umbelliferae family. The Apiaceae family, an overview. The Apiaceae family is a large and diverse group of flowering plants, comprising over 451 genera and more than 3,700 species. These plants are found in a wide range of habitats, from temperate grasslands to alpine meadows, and from coastal dunes to arid deserts. They are characterized by their distinctive inflorescences, called umbels, which are flat-topped clusters of small flowers. These umbels are often surrounded by bracts, which are modified leaves that serve to protect the developing flowers. The Apiaceae family includes many plants that are of economic importance, such as carrots, parsnips, celery, parsley, dill, fennel, coriander, cumin, and anise. These plants are valued for their edible roots, stems, leaves, seeds, and essential oils. In addition to their culinary uses, many Apiaceae plants are also used in traditional medicine and aromatherapy. My encounter with the Apiaceae family. My fascination with the Apiaceae family began when I was a child. I remember spending hours in my grandmother's garden, marveling at the diversity of plants that she grew. Among her many treasures, I was particularly drawn to the Umbelliferae. I was captivated by their delicate flowers, their aromatic leaves, and their unique seed heads. As I grew older, my interest in the Apiaceae family deepened. I began to learn more about their taxonomy, their ecology, and their ethnobotanical uses. I was particularly intrigued by the wide range of compounds that these plants produce, including essential oils, coumarins, and polyacetylenes. These compounds are responsible for the distinctive flavors and aromas of many Apiaceae plants, and they also have a variety of medicinal properties. The genera of the Apiaceae family. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of the Apiaceae family. The Apiaceae family is of great importance to humans. These plants provide us with food, medicine, and other valuable resources. They also play an important role in the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for a variety of animals. In addition to their practical uses, Apiaceae plants are also a source of beauty and wonder. Their delicate flowers, their aromatic leaves, and their unique seed heads are a delight to the senses. I encourage everyone to take the time to appreciate the beauty and diversity of the Apiaceae family. My continuing journey. My journey of discovery with the Apiaceae family is far from over. I continue to learn more about these fascinating plants every day. I am particularly interested in their potential for use in sustainable agriculture and medicine. I believe that the Apiaceae family has a lot to offer us, and I am excited to see what the future holds. In conclusion, the Apiaceae family is a large and diverse group of plants that are of great importance to humans and the ecosystem. These plants provide us with food, medicine, and other valuable resources. They are also a source of beauty and wonder. I encourage everyone to take the time to appreciate the beauty and diversity of the Apiaceae family. As I continue my journey of discovery with these plants, I am filled with a sense of awe and wonder. The Apiaceae family is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn from these plants and to share my knowledge with others.